A little-known company called Worksport has been gearing up to make big moves. It designs, develops, manufactures, and owns intellectual property for various tonneau covers, solar integrations, portable power systems, and clean energy solutions. The company operates in sustainable, clean energy and automotive industries, focusing on clean energy integrations. Worksport's hard-folding cover is compatible with major truck models and gaining traction with newer truck makers, including those in the electric vehicle sector, showcasing its adaptability and market reach. The aim is to capitalize on growing consumer interest in clean energy with proprietary solutions like solar integrations, mobile energy storage systems, and technologies such as non-parasitic hydrogen-based systems and cold climate heat pump technology. Through subsidiaries, Worksport owns intellectual property on these innovations, positioning itself in the market for sustainable energy and automotive accessories. Evidence of growing potential really became apparent when Worksport began expanding its manufacturing workforce by 30%, starting in Q4 2024, to meet growing sales demand, positioning itself to enhance production capacity and improve margins. To support the launch of the higher-margin AL4 tonneau cover, a new evening production shift was added. Back when manufacturing took its first steps towards scaling up, Worksport already targeted $1 million in monthly online sales per month. Aiming to accommodate significant growth in both business-to-consumer, B2C, and business-to-business, B2B sales. By July 2025, production growth saw output average 115 to 130 units per day, nearing the targeted 200 units per day by late Q3. This more than doubles the 1,234 units produced in March. This significant increase was accomplished without a proportional rise in headcount, a feat made possible by investments in manufacturing equipment designed to double its current production output. Demand for Worksport's AL4 premium tonneau cover continues to exceed supply, with CEO Stephen Rossi highlighting the progress as validation of the company's strategy and factory processes. Rossi believes this positions Worksport to surpass $20 million in revenue in 2025 and achieve cash flow positivity in the near term. Shipments of the flagship AL4 tonneau cover have been already sent to select customers, which have been giving overwhelmingly positive feedback. The AL4 hardcover represents a next-generation premium cover, engineered for durability and functionality using robust American aluminum, catering to North America's growing pickup truck market, as well as the desire for U.S.-based manufacturing. Worksport also achieved ISO 9001:2015 certification for its U.S. production facility, strengthening its manufacturing credentials and positioning the company for significant growth in domestic and international supply chains. CEO Stephen Rossi views this certification as a catalyst for breakout expansion, enabling pursuit of opportunities with top-tier OEMs and national retailers requiring ISO certification. The ISO 9001:2015 certification enhances partner credibility, opening new markets for original equipment manufacturer, OEM, supply opportunities with major automakers like Toyota, GM, Ford, and Honda, strengthening Worksport's premium American-made product reputation, and driving operational scalability and improved gross margins. The certification, issued by Bureau Veritas Certification Holding SAS UK branch, is valid from April 2025 through April 2028. AL4 production is ramping up while existing AL3 production is being maintained. Major distributors praise the AL4's build quality, ease of use, and features, reinforcing Worksport's belief in its flagship potential. CEO Stephen Rossi expresses excitement about the AL4's reception, anticipating significant growth and establishing Worksport as a top-tier premium tonneau cover provider. Worksport's direct-to-consumer presence is increasing along with its distribution network. resulting in over 550 dealer locations, with hundreds of new dealer accounts within the past year, leading to support for approximately $21.5 million annual revenue potential. Other key product launches driving growth include the fall launch of the Solis Solar Tonneau Cover and the COR Portable Energy System, a modular power solution expected to contribute significantly to revenue in Q3 and Q4 2025. This modular nanogrid system is designed to empower over 60 million pickup trucks in the U.S. to generate and store power anytime, anywhere. The Solis and COR systems are transformational platforms opening doors to North American and global consumer markets, with Worksport's total addressable market projected to triple from $4 billion to over $13 billion. The portable energy market is expanding rapidly with a projected CAGR of 24.2%. COR has passed internal and third-party tests, with production-ready units submitted for global UL certification, while Solis has completed beta deployment with real-world customers demonstrating strong performance. Solis is being assembled at Worksport's ISO-certified U.S. facility as COR manufacturing is proceeding in parallel. $2 to $3 million in new 2025 revenue is expected from Solis and COR, followed by targeting 8-figure annual revenue in 2026. CEO Stephen Rossi emphasizes these products are strategic platforms for multi-channel expansion, solving real-world challenges with mass-market scalability and a robust IP portfolio. A commercial-use pilot project with a leading U.S. construction firm is operating over 1,000 trucks, which will test Worksport's Solis Solar Tonneau Cover and COR Portable Energy System, with the goal of validating performance and reliability in real-world settings. CEO Stephen Rossi believes the COR and Solis systems will fit well with large commercial work fleets, potentially leading to significant revenue opportunities. The construction firm serves institutional and government clients like the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers and Department of Homeland Security, giving Worksport continued momentum for gross margins to consistently reach at least 30% by year-end. When talking about progress in portable power, Cooler Technology Group formed a partnership with Worksport to advance battery technology and bolster domestic manufacturing in the U.S. This collaboration focuses on 3 primary areas: joint development of Worksport's COR battery pack system, integration of AI-driven battery management system BMS software, and incorporation of Cooler's patented thermal runaway protection technology to enhance battery safety and longevity. The partnership leverages Cooler's One Design Solutions, K1DS platform, which includes advanced safety testing methodologies like fractional thermal runaway calorimetry, FTRC, and bomb calorimetry, to optimize the COR system's performance and safety. Cooler's involvement is expected to open new revenue streams and establish a strong presence in the portable energy storage sector, a market projected to reach $21.95 billion to $24.8 billion by 2032, growing at a CAGR of 16% to 24%. Beyond tonneau covers and portable vehicle power, Worksport's subsidiary Teravis Energy is also breaking ground with its EtherLux heat pump system for home heating and cooling. Addressing critical challenges in the heat pump market, including climate variability, power affordability, and existing technological limitations by leveraging proprietary zero-frost technology to eliminate defrost cycles, a common limitation in conventional heat pumps, thus reducing thermal stress and component wear. Teravis Energy's EtherLux system pump boasts extreme weather resilience, operating range of -57 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also designed to provide consistent home heating and cooling comfort year-round, featuring an estimated coefficient of performance, COP, of 3.0 to 3.5 at minus 57 degrees Fahrenheit, and a heating seasonal performance factor, HSPF, between 11.0 and 12.5. It incorporates R32 refrigerant, compliant with 2025 Clean Air Act regulations. AI-driven personalization allows for dynamically adjusting to deliver optimal comfort and energy efficiency tailored to individual user preferences, leading to expectations of lower-cost barriers while providing unparalleled performance, setting a new industry benchmark. The global heat pump market is experiencing rapid growth, driven by energy efficiency demands and government subsidies. The total addressable market for North America is projected at approximately $290 billion from 2022 to 2031, with regions outside the U.S. and Canada estimated at around $910 billion. Governments are incentivizing adoption, such as the U.S. High-Efficiency Electric Home Rebate Act, offering up to $8,000, and Canada's incentive of up to $10,000 for heat pump installations. Another move worth mentioning is Worksport's corporate treasury strategy, which is adopting cryptocurrencies Bitcoin, BTC, and XRP, Ripple. The board of directors initially approved purchasing up to $5 million in BTC and XRP, limited to 10% of excess operational cash, with plans to expand holdings as excess cash grows. The main goals are hedging against inflation and enhancing transaction efficiency. That's why crypto payments are also accepted on its e-commerce platform, expected to reduce transaction fees by 37%, converting interest earnings to cryptocurrencies, and potentially allocating future capital raises to these digital assets. CEO Stephen Rossi emphasizes this move aligns with market trends, prioritizing operational efficiency and shareholder value. BTC and XRP were chosen because they are viewed as stores of value that are also a low-risk hedge against inflation. Coinbase was selected as Worksport's preferred crypto custodian, based on its regulatory compliance, security, and insurance-backed solutions. For more on Worksport, other stocks, and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.